Hi everyone, this is Irene. In this video, we are going to see how to use your voice input when you create a quiz using Google Forms from your mobile device. Now let us open the mobile web browser Chrome and type forms.google.com in its address bar. An empty untitled form will be open for you. Now to change the theme of this form, tap on the paint palette icon which is on top. Now we can tap on choose image to change the cover image of your quiz. I'm going to select the category food and dining. Any picture can be selected and that can be inserted. To change the theme color as well as background color, you can tap on the colors you like. I'm going to change the font style as playful. Now all these changes can be applied by tapping on the command apply which is on the top right corner. The next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on the menu icon which is the three vertical dots and I'm going to select the menu settings. This menu has three tabs. From the first tab, I'm going to select the option See Summary Charts and Text Responses. If all the children have email addresses, you can select the first option Collect Email Addresses. Otherwise, you can go to the second tab. I'm going to select the option Show Progress For. From the third tab, I'm going to turn on Make This a Quiz. Now, all the other changes I'm going to have as it is. Now, all these changes can be saved by tapping on the command Save, which is on the top right corner. Now I am going to begin my quiz creation by tapping on the command untitled form. Now I am going to use my voice input. In the keypad you can see top right corner there is a mic symbol. I am going to tap on that. Food we eat hyphen part 1. Now you can see my voice input has been recorded. So this is going to be very easy for you to prepare a quiz. So you can enter the questions as well as options using the same method itself. Now if you tap on untitled form, the changes are applied here. You can tap on form description and you can follow the same method. Class 5 Vidya Lakshmi School. Enter your full name with initials. Full stop. I'm going to have the answer type as short answer because the children have to enter their name. So I'm not going to award any mark. You can add the next question. I am going to begin my quiz creation by tapping on the plus icon. Name the fruit given in the picture. Full stop. Now if you want to search the image for that, you tap near the question. You will see the image icon next to that. Tap on that. You can use the same Google voice search concept. Watermelon. Now a lot of watermelon pictures are there. Select and insert. That will be loaded for you. Now you can have this answer type as multiple choice or drop down anything. I'm going to have it as multiple choice. Option 1 apple, pineapple, banana, watermelon. Now all our options are over, so you can tap on the tick mark and you can award the mark and you can select the correct option and you can tap on the command done. So now one question is over. So with that, if you wanted to send this as a quiz to the students, you scroll it and come to the top. Next to the paint palette icon, you can see the arrow mark. Tap on that. Now tap on the attachment icon. Now shorten the URL and copy this URL by tapping on the command copy. And now you can come back to your WhatsApp group or to your Google Classroom to send this. So now you can long press and you can paste it. This will be loaded. And this can be sent to the children. The children will tap on the link and attend the quiz. This is the quiz what we have prepared. Now you can enter your full name with initials. And you can select the correct option and you can submit. You can view the score now. You got 1 out of 1. Now, as a teacher, if you wanted to know where your file is stored, you can go to Google Drive and refresh this page. You can see Food We Eat Part 1. This is a file we have created. Tap on that. So in edit mode, you can view your form. Now if you want to add any question, if any other changes has to be made, everything can be made. One more thing, when you want to see the response of the children, you can use the next tab next to questions. So you can see one response has been recorded. Now if you want to know the individual person's performance, you can tap on the tab individual. You can see 1 out of 1. One student has attended. The name of the student is Irene. She has got 1 out of 1 points. So when you press the next arrow, the next student's information with the name as well as their points, it will be given to you. So you can record their marks also. In this way, we create a quiz in Google Forms and that can be sent to the children online. Thank you.